Alright, we should now be recording with the JVC GR-60U camcorder. There you can see some of the zoom functionality. It's also, of course, completely manual. Let's see if I can turn that time off. I wonder if I could set the time now. Well, I guess I can. See, for whatever reason, I couldn't set the time earlier, but now I guess I can. Interesting. So today is, I think today is the 7th. Today is the 7th of February, 2016. I guess while I'm doing that, we can have a look around. It's a little bit uncomfortable to hold it this way. It's 1:44 p.m. at this instant. Alright, so there's our time. I can't turn it back on. Oh, well that would explain that. I had to press the mode and turn it on that way. But there you can get a general idea as to what kind of quality this camera's got. It could be worse, but it could certainly be a whole lot better. I'm not going to be able to put that into focus. Yeah, I don't think so. This thing doesn't have a very wide-ranging focus, so... There's manual focus mode, actually. Alright. The different white balance schemes. It's telling me low light, even though I'm not quite sure how true that is. I can really see the flicker on the CRT monitor. I think it's recording anyways. My goal with this camera is to use it on my live stream as a roving camera, because it looks like it would probably be good for that. I don't have any real reason to be doing zooming with the roving camera. Although, I could probably put it on that tripod that's sitting right there, and use it for that instead, because I definitely don't have any reason to zoom with that. Well, anyways, let's do our typical camcorder test, shall we? Yes, every time I have a camcorder, I test it with that. I'm not sure why, but it's become a regular thing now. I can hear something making noise in the lens assembly, so it's probably actually doing some kind of focus. Yes, I added a floppy drive, but you can't really see it. There's too much junk in the way. Let me try something, because I think I'm so smart. Let's see what that did. Should have paused. Which actually makes it better than the Sony Handycam, because at least I don't have to stop and restart the recording every time I want to do something. Here we can get a look. This iMac. I can actually test out the macro mode. Get an even closer look at the iMac if we want to. Here we can see. Yeah, it's not easy to focus this thing. It's kind of a beast. you ask me. But anyways, I think that's really it. There's not much else I need to do. The battery, unfortunately, is not exactly the most functional thing in the world. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut this down. Now, oh right, the title. This is what the titler does. Oops. I don't think that's quite what that's supposed to do. It has a cool effect, but I don't think that's the intended effect. I'm seeing some, I actually see some, convergence problems in the CRT viewfinder, so that suggests to me that it was used. Oh, hello. Yeah, that's how you break cameras right there. I haven't had a shower yet. Oh dear, how long have I been recording for? Wow, 83 minutes. I hope this'll fit. I think that's actually 83 seconds, but anyways. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't really need to do anything else with this camera. You've seen what it can do. There was definitely some lost footage that came along with it, and then you can see the bedspread and all of that various stuff. Overall, I think it'll do well on the show, but I think, let's see, this thing's got a fader. I should experiment with that. Of course, I have to press the fader button. So we'll see what happens when I turn this thing off. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. I hope to see you next time. Till then.